Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Alrighty, taking the dash apart on a 66 Chevy Impala. Alrighty, I got the dash taken apart in pieces. Now you got an option to put this glass back. I'm gonna clean it up and see how clean it is to put it back. And then this is the piece that we only had, was this. Well, we needed this, we don't need this. So I'm gonna clean this up and see how it look. Yeah, it looked like I may be able to clean that up, buff it out, and get it back to life. Like that's the piece we needed. This gray piece right here. This piece. That fit. So we're not gonna need that glass. That glass looked good. The new one. Looking clean. Putting the dash together. Alright, there it is. Got it going. I'm going to test fit it in there and just let it sit in there till I'm ready to install it. It's kind of dark in here, but I got the dash test fitted. Next I will be installing it. I got all my electrical wires ran. There it is, dakoda digital.